the cold season approaches, your garden begins to feel the shift. Temperatures drop, frost settles overnight, and delicate plants become vulnerable. But with a few simple steps, you can keep your garden safe, healthy, and thriving all winter long. In this video, we'll explore 10 powerful frost protection tips every gardener should know. Let's begin with one of the easiest strategies: move potted plants indoors. Even shifting them to a garage, porch, or covered patio can help them avoid direct frost. Potted plants cool down faster than those in the ground, so bringing them inside is a quick way to give them extra warmth. It may seem surprising, but watering before a freeze actually helps plants survive cold temperatures. Moist soil holds more heat than dry soil, creating a protective buffer around the roots. Just be sure not to overwater. Slightly damp soil is all you need. One of the most effective methods is mulching. Adding a thick layer of straw, wood chips, or shredded leaves helps insulate the soil, locking in warmth and stabilizing temperature swings. Think of it as a cozy blanket for your garden beds. On nights when frost is predicted, cover your plants with frost cloths, light blankets, or bed sheets. Be sure the material reaches all the way to the ground. This traps heat rising from the soil. And remember to remove the coverings during the day so your plants can breathe and receive sunlight. For smaller plants, you can create DIY cloches using plastic bottles or milk jugs. Simply cut off the bottom and place them over your plants before nightfall. These mini greenhouses capture warmth and protect seedlings from sudden cold snaps. Young trees are especially vulnerable to temperature swings. Wrapping their trunks with burlap or tree wrap material helps prevent frost cracking and sunscald, which can cause long-term damage. A simple wrap can protect them through the entire winter. If you have many potted plants outdoors, group them together. Plants naturally share and retain warmth when clustered. Placing them near a wall or fence adds even more protection by blocking cold winds. For extra cold nights, consider using outdoor safe heaters or heat lamps. These provide a gentle, consistent warmth. Just make sure they're designed for outdoor use and kept at a safe distance from leaves and branches. Finally, rescue your most delicate plants, especially tender herbs and annuals. Basil, mint, geraniums, and similar plants often can't survive frost on their own. Bringing them indoors for the season can extend their life for months. With just a bit of preparation, your garden can remain strong, even through the coldest winter nights. Protect your plants, support their growth, and enjoy a healthier, more resilient garden all season long. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening!